Okay, sabay-sabay natin kantahan ang ating mga birthday celebrants. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Maligayang dati sa iyong pagsilang. Maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati.
So in behalf of the owner of the company, so I just want to say thank you for everyone who's here and still providing your dedication to the company. You're doing your best, no? And we are keep growing and growing despite any difficulties and whatever happened, no? It's the result na kanang wala ko'y tuyo. Every night naghahanap ko clients just to help you as well sa inyo fulfillment and closing deals and also looking for new or more opportunities sa company aside sa Kirkland and also sa e-commerce na ginabuhat namo karon. So, mo dyan to lately, kaya na ako routine last week, di ba, makita ko yung sa gawas nag-gym everyday. But this week, since Sabado, waya na ko naka-gym hangtod kuman kaya nag-focus ko training, hanap ko opportunities. So waya ko nito nakitaan since Monday dito sa gym kay nag-kuan man. Matuyok alas 2, alauna, alas 3. So diyan buntag, dili ko maka-gym ka dyan. Amo dyan. So dili pa dyan ako pasawot na physically fit physically fit at the same time mukhaong ka ng mga sakto na meal plan kung ang imuha tuyok kuyang mas worse ba dyan. No? Kay tuyok mo gano'n ang pinaka-importante. Second na dyan imo tagkaon or dyan imuha physical na activities. So dapat ano sa fit no together. So ako po dyan kuan sa video aside sa after ni diba 8 hours ka mo mag-incode diri pag abot din si Jubayay make activity lihok-lihok ginagmay diba mag-walking, iba ninyo friends, or sa badiha. So, stay active na ta physically sound and also tuyok sakto kay mo lagi ito. So, lang ang doktor kung daw ka ng stress and over fatigue. Kay lately, tagdugay na kumatuyog tas sa mata alas 6 alas 7 city ra. So, ako dyan. So, again, going back to the topic, so na-appreciate na ako tanang guys ang inyong dedication. No? So, sa mga nag-birthday ko man, thank you so much for still celebrating your birthday sa ako. Last year, dyan ka mo, kuman dyan, gyapon ka mo. So, thank you so, sa inyo tanan na pag-stay din. So, hopefully next year, same paces or madugangan pa ang mag-birthday ng January ho. And thank you so much everyone. Appreciate na po.
Thank you so much, Sir Kurt, for having perfect attendance for the month of January 2026 and in appreciation of your dedication, hard work, and commitment to excellence, your loyalty and unwavering efforts have played a significant role in helping us achieve our company's goal. So this certificate is proudly presented to Queen Beth Bonilia. So the next awardee is Certificate of Appreciation is for your outstanding BA performance this month of January 2026 and appreciation for your dedication, hard work, and commitment to excellence. Your loyalty and unwavering efforts have played a significant role in helping us achieve our company's goals. So this certificate is awarded to our outstanding BA performance to Ms. Trixie M. Ho. We all know Trixie is not around kasi nga dito na hospital yung pamangkin niya. So on behalf of Content Department or on behalf of Trixie, please accept this award. So our next award is, this certificate is proudly presented to, in recognition of your outstanding leadership this month of January 2026, and dedication and commitment to excellence, your consistent display of integrity and teamwork continues to uplift others and contribute significantly to the company's success. So this certificate is proudly presented to outstanding team leader for the month of January, from the technical department, Renee Baal. And then people come and go. We might not be on the same circle of friends or same circle of workmates, pero sabi ko nga nga sa inyo, when it comes to growth, susuportahan tayo lahat ni Sir Kirk. Sa mga tatahak ng kanilang other venture, ng kanilang other journey sa ibang landas, of course, we still support you. So now I would like to call, two of our colleagues will be already resigned already and rendering the lab. Ngayon, syempre gusto rin namin marinig kung how appreciative they are in terms of the work experience nila din sa KR. So I would like to call for a small speech si Ma'am April. Ma'am April.
I just want to say thank you, sir. This is not an easy decision for me now. Sir, thank you so much. Thank you sa tanan, sa paghatag ng opportunity and trust. Thank you kabayo ng mga sir, like at first June. Ikaw first, na nag-challenge sa ako. First pa June kung sa OS. And I'm very grateful. Like, thank you is not enough. Amo kayo na-learn. Not just the skills, but also nag-highlight na ano sa aking attitude, sa aking character, na pag-work sa internet. Sa pag-trust mo sa ako, after sa OS, you challenge me sa inyong position, even if bakoy that kind of experience kay dahil akong nasudan. Sa ijutanan, sa first June sa pagtawag ninyo sa ako, like, wala dyan ko I'm just very happy and thankful rin ka radyo kay nakakamutan na si Ma'am Esther June first na ito, nag-guide sa ako ka June. And sister, ang admin, si Eda, namamaw si Darren, like, hindi ako kabayo kung makaya na ako that time. Like, kag-ipapon yun ko ato tayo. Pero wala ko believe sa myself. But, nahimo na ako siya. Pero, this decision of God is that I have realizations. Like, this is my comfort zone. I really thankful kaya I have my family na supportive kaayo. So, ano yung decision na ako, like, ila ko supportahan. Even if wala akong kabalo sa kung padulo, like, ako mga decision is, basta waya ra. Mingawin ka. Like, mingawin ko sa ako, sa mga memories, and sa mga tao na nanay.
Parang vigil na.